let's talk about why the Chinese Communist Party rules your life on Kyle Talks Money. I got a lot of hate for my video Don't Piss Off China because it essentially said Americans are just appeasing the Chinese Communist Party for financial gains. But it isn't just liberals in Hollywood or famous athletes, it's you too. And sure, you may drive that Ford pickup or Chevy, but you do realize many of those parts were manufactured in China or countries sympathetic to Chinese influence. You may be a gun-toting, red-blooded American, but have fun shopping at Walmart for those 4th of July sales. How do you think Walmart and many of those other big box brands are able to sell you inexpensive items? Made in China. I mean, you could boycott Walmart until they only sell made in America stuff, and then you have to buy that t-shirt that now costs $20 instead of $2. And oh man, is it going to suck if you ever find out many of your favorite politicians have business ties with China. It's okay, at least your phone is... Oh wait, aren't iPhones assembled in China? Even Androids are assembled in China. In fact, over 70% of all phones are assembled in China. But at least... Wait, never mind, almost everything you touch is made in China. Go ahead, follow through with your convictions, throw your phone away. And there were plenty of comments on that video saying these elites are trading in their morals to appease their overlords in Beijing. They list down all these human rights violations and economic influence and so forth without seeing the irony. The average person in China has no say in political and economic affairs of how China operates, especially when it has to do with trade and foreign policy. And sure, you can blame politicians on either side, but do you want inexpensive clothes, electronics, and dollar stores? Of course you do. Here's a bigger incentive. The quality isn't much different. Not enough anyway to justify paying more for it. It's not like buying things that are made in China is a bad thing. They're affordable, but you need to understand the economic ramifications of being against something, but at the same time benefiting from it. Made in America is a novel idea. It's patriotic to support American workers and American manufacturing. But Made in America is just that, an idea. An expensive idea for big and small businesses. Don't fool yourself. A business needs to make money to stay open. The largest cost is the cost of labor. But when you can outsource manufacturing, production, assembly, all the physically demanding work to a country, China, with little to no labor laws, you get a cheaper product at a fraction of the cost. The American business can then sell that item at some margin for a profit that's reasonable for you, the customer. And guess what if Mr. America doesn't do that? His competitor, who's also an American, but took Economics 101, will find ways to lower the price on their goods. And Americans love a good deal. A show of hands, if you needed a box of printer paper and you saw one that cost $50 and it was made in America, or another that cost $20 but made in China, which one would you choose? What are your thoughts? How are you supporting the American economy? If you like this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I talk about money and everything related to it, so don't miss out. And as always, take care of your money.